Kungaloosh adventurers, welcome back to another TMR Tours. Today we are heading back to the Beach Club Resort to show you some things you may have missed and some things you should try if you're staying at the Beach Club or if you want to stroll on by. Hurricane Hannah's is a nice counter service that we won't talk too much about because it is more of a yacht and beach club feature. Instead, let's go inside the Beach Club Resort, kind of past the lobby to the marketplace. This is the souvenir shop as well as a counter service eatery and a one-stop location for getting food and beverage. One of the things we want to note here are the flatbread pizzas. They are made to order and delicious. Now you can get those souvenir refillable cups if you're staying at the resort, and they have the freestyle Coca-Cola machines, which you'll see roll out to other locations on property. We got a classic pepperoni pizza and we shared it amongst 4 people, which you still got a decent amount. You can get them in any style from vegetarian to meat lovers. That is the great thing about the made-to-order style here at the Beach Club Marketplace. Need I say more? Look at that cheese pull. It's like living in a cartoon when you're eating these delicious pieces of pizza. We all agreed it was worth the small walk from Epcot's International Gateway to try this amazing pizza. Moving from food to activities, we can't forget to mention Stormalong Bay, the Yacht and Beach Club's pool area, which is actually 2.5 acres and almost classifies as another water park. This pool area has a 40-foot water slide called the Flying Jib and has a small lazy river. A perfect way to cool off on any hot day. And while you're cooling off by the pool, check out Beaches and Cream Soda Shop. You can get all your favorite dessert treats here, from cones and sundaes to malts and milkshakes. You could also try their world-famous kitchen sink, which has 8 scoops of ice cream and usually is made for multiple people. However, this narrator wants to take the challenge and try it on his own. Another thing about the Beach Club and all its amenities, if you want to take a short boat ride from Hollywood Studios or Epcot, you can check some of this out. That pool area is for resort guests only. We also have a feature on extra things to try at the Polynesian. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications if you want to check that out as well. Let us know what you want to see in the comments below. We'd be happy to cover it.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Drop a comment below with what you want to see next.
For more information and Disney tips, check out all of our social media. See you on another adventure from around the world. Kungaloosh!